Imagine waking up to a bright, shining sun in the sky. Something is wrong. The light is there. The warmth is gone. Inside the sun, the nuclear fire has stopped. You have exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds before the last remaining heat reaches Earth. After that, our planet begins to freeze. But here's the twist. The sun isn't dead. It just won't heat us anymore. Humanity survive a star that refuses to burn? Let's find out. Without the sun's heat, Earth would cool down instantly. Within the first week, the average global temperature would drop below 0 degrees Celsius. Within a year, it would hit minus 73 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere would eventually freeze and collapse, falling to the ground like snow. Most plants would die within days because photosynthesis would stop. Without plants, the food chain collapses. But humans are resourceful. To survive, we would have to move deep underground or build cities near the ocean floor. Why? Because the Earth's core is still hot. Geothermal energy would be our only hope for warmth and electricity. Interestingly, the deep oceans wouldn't freeze solid for thousands of years. The thick layer of ice on top would actually act as an insulator, keeping the water below liquid. Life would be hard, and our population would shrink. We would live in a world of artificial light, powered by nuclear and geothermal energy. The sun would be a cold, blue star in our sky, a constant reminder of the fire that once gave us life. If the sun went dark today, what is the first thing you would do? Tell us in the comments. And if you want to know what happens if the moon disappears, click the video on your screen now. Don't forget to subscribe to Cosmic Story Lab.